Hey babes, what is up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Leia and today we're going to be talking about a very important topic because when I first went to the strip club, I never knew about this. So for those of you that it's going to be your first time or you're new to the strip club, stay tuned because we're going to be talking about...
And I don't wanna talk, bitch, I'm back chasing. And when I walk in the room, they be back pacing. When she pull up on me, I get the back breaking. You bitches broke like some swishers at the gas station.
Extras in the strip club. And like I said, for those of you that have never been to a strip club before, you're probably sitting there like, extras? What's extras? Because girl or guy, trust me, I was thinking the same thing. I was like, what are extras? Like, what are you guys talking about? I thought when you go to a strip club, you just lap dance, dance on stage. I didn't know that there was more that came with going to the strip club or working there. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys how I realized what they meant by extras in the strip club. So the very first night that I was at the club, I came out of the locker room and the owner came up to me. She's like, oh, there's a group of guys at VIP. She's like, they're my family. Like some of them were her cousins. So she's like, go over there. They have money. So I was like, okay, like I'm going to go up to these group of guys at the VIP. So after I got over there to where all the guys were in the VIP, I was sitting there talking, you know, making conversation, dancing a little bit. And then one of the guys started talking to me about like the prices of the dances. And I told him, okay, the dances that we do on that side are topless only. I gave him the prices. And then I told him for full nude lap dance, we have to go all the way in the back. And then I showed him the prices. And then long story short, out of nowhere, he was like, well, what else do you do back there? And I'm like... nothing, just nude lap dances, you know. But he's like, but what else do you do? And I'm like, nothing. And he's like, well, I want to go back there with you, but only if we do a little bit more. And I was so confused because I'm like, this is a strip club. Like, what do you mean? Like, you want to do more back there, you know? And I'm like, no, like, I can't do that at my job. And I'm not going to lie, this guy was persistent. Like, he really wanted to get me back there with him. But I was like, I'm not going to do anything but a nude lap dance. Like, that's all we do here. And he just kept saying it over and over and over. And he's like, oh, I've done it with other girls. And I was like, wait, so you've like hooked up with other girls in the back, like at the strip club? And he literally said like that was the only way he would go to the back with me and pay for a lap dance. So I was like, you know what, I'm straight. I just got up and walked away. And keep in mind, this was my first night at the strip club. So I was right there like completely taken off guard. Like in my mind, I was thinking, okay, I'm going to go to the strip club, all cute. I'm going to dance on the pole and give lap dances. I did not think I was going to be asked like basically for prostitution. No offense to any girls that do that. I'm just not into that. Okay? Okay. And then so keep in mind, there was other girls there that night that started with me. You know, that we were all a couple new girls. And one of them actually sat down and we were talking and she was like, I don't think I'm going to come back to this club after tonight. And I was like, why? And she was like, for that reason. She's like, oh, every customer that I've talked to, they only want to take me back to the VIP to get a nude lap dance because that's where we make the most of our money, keep in mind. So she was like, the only way that they want to take me back there is if I give them extras. And she's like, that reason she doesn't think she'll be coming back. And I was like, damn, like, you know. And then it had me thinking like, okay, if this is happening on our first night and it doesn't seem out of the ordinary to anybody else, like, what if this is how, like, the job's gonna be? But I stuck it out. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna keep coming back, you know, like, let's just see what happens. So, yeah, babes, like I said, I continued to work there. And as the days went by, like, I realized, no offense, at this strip club, like, that's basically what they're all about. At the club I worked at, that was, like... literally what I said, that was what they were all about. Like, even the owner would, like, encourage us to, like, prostitute, to fucking get people in the back for VIP. And if you're watching this girl, you know it's true. Every time she would talk to me, she'd be like, oh, you need to get more lap dances. You need to get more lap dances. Like, girl, all your customers only want to get lap dances with us if we fuck. Or if we suck dick. Or if we give hand jobs. Like, no. If I only make all my money off stage, that's fine. And literally, like, most of the time I worked there, to be honest, I made literally most of my money on stage. But because I'm not going to do that. Like, literally, girls would talk about it. Like, a girl, she would come out of VIP and she'd be like, and I'm quoting you, sis. She'd be like, Oh, this guy had a dick this big. I let him put it in my ass for $120. So she got to keep that whole 120, right? But for however many minutes he bought the lap dance for, the club got 50%. And I'm just right there like, I didn't say anything because it's not my business, you know? Like, that's you, girl. That's your body. Another example, like this one girl, she made the most money that night out of all the girls in the club. This could have probably just been hating, but okay, so I was sitting by a group of girls, like stripper girls, and they were like talking about this one girl, and they're like, oh, you know how she like got all those guys to go to VIP with her? And I was like, no, how? And they're like, oh, like she gives extras, like she was probably sucking dick in the back for money. Like I said, they could just be fucking haters, but literally that club that I was at is known for that. Like all the customers that come in, they know that they can fuck any girl in that club, like, because money talks there. Obviously not every girl, because there's girls like me that are like, nah, we're not gonna do that. But there's girls there that do that. So if you come across this and you're a stripper, let me know in the comment section down below if you make money at your strip club legit just by dancing and just by pole, because I want to go apply there. And I love being a dancer. I love being a stripper. I love getting dressed up and looking all cute and going on stage and dancing, you know. But that was one thing that I hated about the club that I worked at, you know. I didn't even freaking care about going back after that, because it was like, I don't want to work at a place that feels like it's just a whole big prostitution thing. Like, I'm not trying to go there every day and have sex with people in the back for money, you know? Like I said, that's the only way the guys wanted to even take you back to VIP. Like, they would tell you, oh, if you're not going to do extras, like, I know this girl will, or I know this other girl will, and it's like, okay, then go with them. Like I said, I was fine with only making money on stage, because I made money on stage, you know? It was like, if you don't want to take me to VIP, don't take me to VIP. But like I said, that's how you made your most money at that club. Like, even the owner said, like, that's how you make the most of your money. So, like, try to freaking get to VIP. But like I said, I'm not going to do all that just to get to VIP. I can make money off stage, and I always did. And then it sucks for the other girls at the strip club that actually just want to go there, look cute, have fun, give lap dances, spin on the pole. It sucks for those girls, because the guys that come only want to go with her, and her, because they know that she'll suck dick, fuck, and give hand jobs, you know? And then those girls, they just have to sit there and wait till a guy comes that will actually only do, like, what is allowed in a club. You're not even allowed to do all that. But like I said, the owner of my club knows about it, whatever. But that's not even what's supposed to be going down. So it sucks. Like, for me, I was like, damn, this shit fucking sucks. Like, I wanted to just come here, look cute, spin on the pole. Like, I've been practicing a whole year for this exact reason, you know? And it's like, now I just come here, and it's like the way I can make the most of my money is sucking dick and fuck. So another example was, so this one night I was at the strip club, right? And I was sitting with the customer, and his friend was sitting on the couch next to us, but he was like sitting there by himself. And he was literally talking to each girl, like, to see how they were. And I guess one of the girls went up to him, and she just sat on top of him, and she was like, oh, for $120, I'll let you take me in the back and fuck, you know, just pay for a VIP lap dance. And he just looked at her, and he's like, no, what the fuck? And I guess she got all offensive and got up and walked away. And he came over to where me and his homie were, and he was like, I can't fucking believe that. And I was like, what? And he's like, that girl just came up to me, and she's like, oh, for $120, like, I'll let you have sex with me if you pay for a VIP lap dance. And he was so like, he wasn't even here for that. He was literally taken off guard, and he was like knocked down. Like, he was like, is there any girls like in here that are like, I don't want to say classy, but that like are not just trying to fuck? Like, he thought it was like not right, you know? And I was like, wow, like, some guy at the strip club like totally understands like what I'm thinking. Like, you know, like, we shouldn't have to make our money that way. We should be able to just dance with you guys. And because that's what the strip club fucking is. Like, when the fuck was it a whorehouse? No offense, you know, but it's just like, alrighty, babes, and I just want to go ahead and let you guys know to keep this in mind. Just because I experienced that at the strip club doesn't necessarily mean you will experience that at the strip club. If you want to go ahead and still be a stripper, go be a stripper. Shake that ass. You know, I'm all for it. I just wanted to go ahead and make this video for any of you that are new to the strip club or thinking about auditioning. Keep that in mind that, you know, sometimes things like that happen where they talk about extras, and now you know exactly what it means. Alrighty, babe, so that ends today's video. It was short, sweet, and right to the point. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Different as fuck, and he ain't trick on you once. I'm a freak, bitch. I need to feel his dick in my gut. Fuck being booed up. Come spit in my butt. Real nasty when I fuck him. I'm on demons.